Let's go! Hello guys, welcome back to some more of Build a Boat for Treasure. Today, I'm going to show you guys the best way to grind and build a boat. And right now, I'm on my friend's private server. This is going to be a short video. If you're broke, you could do this, honestly. Anyone could do it. As long as you just need a glue. You don't need... If you have one piece of glue, that will be fine. It's just glue is better. And if you have 4 of any blocks, but don't use plastic. If you have 4 of any blocks, like gold, you could do this, this, and now you can do this. As you can see, I have built that. And now when you're standing right on top of it, because it got to be right on top of it. But it got to be good. It got to be good. It got to be good. Now, oh, dang it. Can you guys rebuild this and unanchor the blocks? And press the understand to make it delete. Or you could have deleted that glue, sand glue. So like, yeah, look how fast I'm going. I am speeding through the stages. Ow. Ow. Sometimes you go too fast, by the way. And the tornado, don't worry, the tornado won't hit you. Don't worry. Oh, the tornado in one of the stages won't hit you. Okay, I want to show you guys all the different ways you could build this. Okay, way 1, the thing that I just showed you. Okay, as you can see, there's all of these. Sometimes I think you could do this. It makes it really weird when you ride it and fun. But sometimes you could also do only 1 block, which is a challenge. And some other times I have not seen much people do this. But I guess... Okay, first let's try... I'm just going to show you guys the ways. Okay, let's see what the 2 block does. 2 block. You go pretty fast, I would say. Pretty good. Ow. You go very high, which is sometimes a problem. Whee! Ouch! Ow! That hurt. 3 coins. Okay, now let's use the 3 blocker. 3 blocker. Okay, and just so you guys know, can you time this? How did I say that? Ooh, this is pretty fast. I think I like the 3 block the most. Perfect. Whee! What happened to it? Next up is 1 blocker. Don't forget to time this and see which way's the fastest. Oh, I didn't get 62. Boo! We don't like that. Oh. So this is something. It's going too fast. Okay, that was actually pretty fast. Oh. I will not allow that. I will not allow that. I'm Bob. Bob. Oh yeah, I'm Bob. I'm Bob. I'm Bob. I'm Bob. 52? Disgusting. It's not disgusting, but boo. We don't, that's not enough. Okay, blue. Gold. I really want to see how good this works. I've seen a lot of people do this. And the other ones I came up with. Okay, let's see how fast I can go. I can't even jump. What the heck? Oh, I think I actually did it now. I fixed it. But that way sucks. Why not just do the ways that I showed you guys? Whee! Whoa! Ow! Wait, what? So, what way do you guys like most? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and leave a comment down below. I meant rate which one was the best, and tell me what I should do next. This was a fun time showing you guys. Now I'm gonna build a golden wall. Woohoo! I wanna go faster. Oh god, I shouldn't be doing this. That was good. Okay, gold. 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 Now put this in. Do this. I don't want to make it that big. Really? That's the biggest I can make it? Really? Wow. Boom. What? Oh, that's it for my wall. Peace out, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.